Through our partnership, ANZ customers can now transfer money from their ANZ accounts to M-Pesa wallet using ANZ bill pay option on ANZ internet banking and ANZ Pacific app, making it easier to send money to friends and families across Fiji. For customers who want to transfer funds to family and friends in rural and outer islands particularly, having this flexibility within a secure mobile banking app, no matter where they are, not only forms part of our commitment to make banking easier and more convenient, it is an important step towards greater financial inclusion. As one of the largest banks in Fiji, we have important role to play in promoting a healthy financial system. We do this by encouraging Fijians to develop a savings habit so that they can buy their own home and start or run a business. And we can help them embrace technology that makes doing all this much faster, easier, and very, very cheap and simple. It all starts with a simple bank account. Once a customer has a bank account, they can have access to a range of products and services that can help boost their financial well-being. But despite significant progress in Fiji, there is still some challenges to consider. A large portion of the market remains unbanked, meaning people don't have a bank account. Digital banking is critical to overcome some of these challenges, including proximity to banking services and cost of accessing these services. With more smartphones and increased coverage, banking is more accessible than ever. As part of our effort to be the leading digital banking in the Pacific, we are doing our bit to help accelerate Fiji's shift to digital. ANZ Pacific app and internet banking gives our customers access to their money anywhere, anytime. It is convenient, secure, cost-effective, and eliminates the need for physical cash. M-Pesa mobile wallet is now a critical part of the digital financial service infrastructure in Fiji, with lots of active users, giving new meaning to financial inclusion. ANZ is supportive of Reserve Bank's agenda to increase financial literacy in Fiji. We have come a long way since ANZ's flagship financial education program, Money Minded, which was first introduced in 2010. Around 12,000 people in Fiji have since taken part in the Money Minded training. It is not just important for a rural population, there is a critical need for financial literacy in urban centers too. By increasing the financial literacy, many other social problems can be addressed. We are committed to improving the financial well-being of our people, customers, and communities by helping them make the most of their money throughout their lives. Improving financial well-being means driving a savings culture in Fiji, because we know that with careful budgeting, planning, and through the practical life skills that Money Minded offers, people, their families, and communities can thrive. Our effort in this area is important because we know it works. There has been many successful stories shared on participants acquiring successful or useful and relevant financial knowledge and skills for their daily management of their money, setting financial goals, budgeting, and savings, and investing. We have seen a lot of stories you may have read on seasonal workers who have sent money back from Australia and New Zealand to invest back in their villages. They have invested in their children's education. They have invested in village water programs. We have also seen from our customers where they have now started planning for their retirement. So where people were staying in government quarters, they at one time with no knowledge or no work-based financial literacy program, they were not thinking of where they'll go after they retire. But now, when we have started taking this financial work-based literacy training program, they have started investing in properties. Whereas whilst they're still living in government quarters, they have got a property on investment and they have got a place to own or go to after their retirement. We have, today I was so pleased when I walked into a branch in Nosori where one of my colleagues shared that she's so happy with M-Pesa introduction. And she said that last week she paid a roadside mango seller through M-Pesa wallet. She transferred the money immediately on spot from ANZ account through bill pay option for purchases of mangoes. No cash was exchanged. That was such a great story. We are pleased to be working with Vodafone to make it easier for ANZ customers to transfer money to family and friends across Fiji. And that's not limited to their own accounts, but it's across everywhere because it's through ANZ Bill Pay. And it's directly into whoever they're paying to their M-Pesa wallet. Binaka Vodafone, and thank you.